everyday life, and today I'm going to be teaching you about how to take advantage of your world while using physics. One of the major parts of physics is center of mass, and center of mass is how stable things are and how things move. And I use center of mass in my everyday life while doing dance. If you are balancing on point or on half point, you need to have center of mass, and if you don't, then you'll fall. And if it's you'll fall to the right or to the left or forward or backwards. And without that center of mass, you won't be able to balance. And this is the same principle that we use for like buildings, like really weird looking buildings. Like without center of mass, they'd fall over and be destroyed. Okay, so for example, of weird funky looking buildings would be like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The center of mass is above the base of the tower, but if the center of mass was not above the base, then it would have fallen over a long time ago. And you can see here in the picture the arrow is pointing down, but if the tower was leaning just a little bit more, then your center of mass, you wouldn't be right on top of the base. And this is also with your foot. You got to be right on top of the base with your foot in order to balance, or else you will fall over. Okay, so another example of center of mass is in this lovely Fanta can. And you're wondering, man, Sienna, you're such a wonderful person at balancing this. I'm so magical, and it stays up even when I hit it. So the center of mass is right above this base right here. And so if we had it tilted any more, it would fall over and spill, or if it was tilted over to the right, it would fall over that way, or if it had more energy, it'd fall even more over this way. And yeah. Newton's first law is when an object is in motion, it tends to stay in motion. And when an object is at rest, it tends to stay at rest. Unless for acted upon an unbalanced force. Inertia is when you're spinning, it's called inertia. So for example, in a fauteuil, you plie with your leg extended, go out to second, and pull it in for the turn. When you spin, you want all your mass to come into the middle so you can spin faster. You can still spin out, but you go faster when you have your mass in the middle. So that's why ballerinas pull themselves in and have every muscle of their body controlled to do a good turn. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to change the inertia by putting my legs out at first and bringing them in to show that it really does work. As you can see, I'm going kind of slow, and then you bring yourself in, you go faster, and you slow down, and you can bring it in again, and you go faster. Our legs are like springs, so if your legs are already extended, they can't be extended more. So you can't go anywhere. So in order to do a jump or into a turn or anything, you got to plie. And in order to go up in a jump, you can't just start from straight leg and try and get up. You've got to plie. You have to bend. And you have to go down in order to go up. Okay, so by knowing these simple, basic principles of physics, I have become a better dancer by understanding how it works. And I know that, like, when a non-dancer will see somebody dance and understands physics, they'll understand how they can turn or how they can get so high. And thank you so much for watching. Apparently every time you get dizzy, you keep spinning around. It was great! I
I think that